Okay, so now let us finish off the generalities of differentiation. You will see in the tutorials some of the questions. All right, so we're on exponential of x. How do we differentiate exponential of x? All right, let me do it this way. To differentiate exponential of x, ex is the exponential of x. So let me put it as e a x, like this. And in this case, let me write just on top, a is never equal to 0, like this. A is never equal to 0. So how do you differentiate exponential of x? It's simple. And let me just put a bracket and then put a prime here for differentiation. The answer becomes a e then a x, just like this for any value. So for ex, our a is equal to 1. You bring down the one end, put the one there, you are left with ex. So here more generally, that's what we've already covered. A is a constant, so nothing happens. We bring the r down here. R in this case is just the same as our a. Bring the r down and we have that one, ry. This one is also the same as saying a y. That's how exponential works. No matter what, be it a negative power or whatever power you have, it's always the same with exponential. All right, let's see some examples, 1 or 2 examples. Remember I said you drop down here. In this case, the a from the previous page is equal to 2. So if you go to the previous 1 or 2 minutes, you will see that the resulting answer is this one. Same applies for -7. Our a is now, in this case, from the previous page. Remember, this is from the previous page. Our a is equal to -7. You just drop down your -7 and here you have your answer. All right, let's see if we can have more on this differential equations. All right, differentiating natural logs. Natural logs is here we're talking about ln. How do you differentiate ln? This one we've already seen. This one, this one also we've seen it before, just that it was not about ln, but we've already seen it before. Sorry about that. Okay, now we have ln. Want to differentiate ln. How do we do it? X. Now if y is equal to ex, x is equal to ln y. Okay, let's see where this goes. Want to see how we differentiate ln x. How does this end? We're just about to finish our differentiation. This is the proof, but I'm not worried about the proof because really you can look it up if you want, but really do you get questions about proof that the differential of ln x is this one. Let us look at how you do it. Generally, how do you find the differential of ln x? If y is ln x, the differential is 1 over x. Alright, below is how that 1 over x was, let me say, ln mx. How do you differentiate ln mx? We take the result of the differentiation here over this one. Let us say, let me write it here. Let us say this one is ln v. Want to find the differential of ln v. Let me just put it as y prime. Y prime now becomes v prime over v. This is the general formula for differentiating ln. As you see here, what is our v prime? Our v prime is equal to m. Sorry about that. Alright, I was saying, bringing this to differentiation, our v prime is m and our v is mx. This gives us, surely it's 1 over x. So that's how to differentiate ln x. These are some of the rules which we use in differentiation. We are going to look at tutorials about differentiation. We're going to do maybe 5 or 6 tutorials. Thank you guys, and subscribe in order to receive notifications.